question is, with the advent of technology, social media becomes the primary medium for socialization. As Daya Kambayuhay, how can you use your platform in promoting its responsible use? Again, with the advent of technology, social media becomes the primary medium for socialization. As Dayang Kambayuhay, how can you use your platform in promoting its responsible use?
As Miss Dayang, I am amplified to use my voice for what I am fighting for and for what I'm advocating for. I grew up in one of those small barangay of San Joaquin, which is Igcundao, and I saw that the families in my barangay face hardships with quiet strength. And I know what it feels like to feel small, but to dream big and work harder, and to help back to the circumstances. That is why joining this Miss Dayang Kambayuhay is my pursuit, because it's sealed in me that being a San Joaquinhan means more than just endure. It means fighting, rising, and proving that no matter how imperfect am I can create change. And this is who I am, embodying the very heart for my goals. And in that, I will rise, I will lead, and I will conquer. Thank you.